much of scientific knowledge comes from doing investigations. In this lesson, you learn about a particular kind of investigation called an experimental investigation, and you learn how to plan such an investigation. In an experimental investigation, we try to find an answer to a cause-effect question. And the way we do that is that we have two or more treatments which differ only in the independent variable at the start of the experiment. And because of having been treated differently in this way, the different treatments get to differ in another variable, probably, and that variable is called the dependent variable, and we measure that. The word variable means properties which can vary. Vary means change, and that variation, that change, might be in quantity, how much, or in quality, what like, or in both quantity and quality. The independent variable is the cause in the investigation. It's the thing which the investigator makes different between the treatments at the start of the investigation. The dependent variable is the effect. It's a difference that comes about because of the different treatments having been treated differently. An investigation must be driven by a question. We can call it a focus question because it focuses our investigation. And we can often write our focus question as, how does the independent variable affect the dependent variable? A hypothesis is a guessed answer to the focus question, but it's not just one that you just suck out your thumb. It must be informed by background theory. In other words, it must be what existing knowledge about the topic suggests the answer to the focus question should be. And the purpose of the experimental investigation is to test whether the hypothesis is right. If our investigation shows that our hypothesis is not right, then that shows that the existing theory has a gap in it, because what it would have predicted would happen did not happen. And that's how we can add to knowledge. The word indicator means a specific way of varying, measuring, or showing up a general variable. The word treatments means groups which are treated differently to one another in one way, the independent variable. Every experimental investigation must have at least 2 treatments. The word apparatus means equipment, things you use to do the experiment.